In this video, I want to talk about the difference between acting from your belief system versus acting from the gut, that instinct that gives you indication that something is not right and this is how things should happen. Yeah. So, very recently, I was going through this instance and this phase we all go through, and as I speak, I want you all to relate and look into your lives. आप अपनी अपनी लाइफ में देखो, ऐसा कोई ना कोई इंस्टेंस होता है जहाँ पर आप एक ऐसी स्थिति में होते हो, an event where you may be upset, you may not be sure about what is happening, you may think क्या सही है क्या नहीं है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मुझे क्या डिसीजन लेना चाहिए, and the feelings are varied. अनईजी हो सकते हो, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो सकते हो, एंग्री हो सकते हो, होपलेस फील करते हो. There are so many different sensations that go on in your body. So coming back to the recent incident where I was going through all of this, I was feeling this huge pain within, somewhere, in my body, and this restlessness, this urge to just get the answer. मुझे ये answer चाहिए अभी बस. I want to settle this for myself. जब आपसे बर्दाश्त नहीं होता, वो एक फीलिंग आती है. It could be in your relationships, it could be in your the venture that you are a part of, it could be your work, it could be your health, it could be something that you are pursuing, and you are not sure of it. आपको लगता है पता नहीं मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो सही है या नहीं, मेरे लिए सही है या नहीं. So I just wanted to share whatever I went through, and ये क्वेश्चन मेरे लिए भी था. I asked, I shared this with a lot of people, got a lot of perspectives, and what I realized from my experience that, जब हम कई बार इस फीलिंग से गुज़रते हैं, जब ये इनडिसीजन वाली फीलिंग आती है, अपसेट फील होता है, आपको ये फील होता है कि I don't want to be a part of this. No, something is not right. This doesn't respect who I am. मेरा self-respect, self-esteem, self-confidence hamper हो रहा है. This venture, this project, this relationship, these people, they are not honoring who I am. और मुझे अपने लिए खड़े रहना चाहिए. I need to love myself. जब ये सब हो रहा होता है, most often, it is your beliefs, and it is the whole trauma that you are carrying from maybe your childhood, from what has happened in the past, from what are the experiences that you've had most often. और मैं ये क्यों बोल रही हूँ, ये मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि ये जो अर्ज होती है ना कि I need to hear from somebody, or who can I share with, जो मुझे ये जवाब दे देगा, जो मुझे हेल्प करेगा किसी डिसीजन पे पहुंचने के लिए. और वो जो अर्जेंसी लगती है कि बस इसको ख़त्म करो, या मुझे अब इसमें नहीं रहना है, with that uneasiness, with that heaviness, that is the sign of I think the belief system. I strongly feel that's coming from your belief system कि कुछ हुआ, आप ट्रिगर हो गए, आपका बिलीफ ट्रिगर हुआ, एंड इट जस्ट टेक्स अ सेकेंड. ब्रेन की टेंडेंसी है, इट विल स्कैन फॉर थ्रेट. कोई थ्रेट दिखा, आप ट्रिगर हुए, आपने वही बिलीफ रन किया, और वो बिलीफ इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, इट्स लाइक होम टू यू. यू वॉन्ट टू गो बैक टू इट अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड यू एक्ट आउट ऑफ इट. वेयर एज आई फील, आई जस्ट ट्राई टू रिकॉल, जब गट फीलिंग आती है, जब आपका गट आपको कुछ इंडिकेशन देता है, जब वो एक you get that instinct from within ki yes, this is how it's supposed to be, then there is a lot of surety attached to it. You feel more sure about things. वो डिलेमा नहीं होता या वो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होता, और ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसा हो गया तो नहीं. इट्स मोर ऑफ this is how I feel, and it's more of like getting some clarity, and you are instantly like ऐसा act करना है मुझे. For example, आप कहीं पर हो and you're getting those vibes about somebody, you get that gut feeling, no, I should not be here. So you don't feel heaviness about it. You don't feel अरे ये क्यों हो रहा है, or do I take somebody's opinion, कोई मुझे बता दे मुझे क्या करना है. You just maybe walk out. You something doesn't feel right and you just walk out, or you do what you want and you just feel okay about it. You just act. You like know कि what you have to do in that moment. पर अगर ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है and you are crippled, you are grappling, feeling all that low feeling, disempowering emotions and confusion, or you know you just want to sort it out, like कुछ है जो मुझे sort out करना है अभी बस, and you want somebody to say something, somebody to come and just get you out of it. In all probability it's your belief system, it's your trauma which you are responding to. उसी ने आपको वापस जकड़ दिया और आप वहाँ से act कर रहे हो. And you know it just sucks the energy, it just creates all that, you know, sensation which gets you so uneasy up. And I would say this is something I have been able to distinguish between these two only because I've experienced. Only when I could really go back to क्या sensation था, क्या difference था, अच्छा मुझे ऐसा क्यों महसूस हुआ, oh, and that's where now I have started to figure out this is my trauma response, this is my belief system that I'm acting from, and this is really something worth my attention. Of course, the beliefs are also worth my attention because only when I get aware and I look at it will I be able to do something about it. And that brings me to a very important point कि ये जो beliefs हैं इतने rock solid होते हैं, they are as good as reality. आप victim की तरह महसूस करते हो, oh God मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है, the other person is taking me for granted, taking me for a ride, I can't let that happen. All this belief thing plays so heavily that if you are not aware, you will keep going back into it, you will ruin yourself, you'll ruin your relationships, and you will ruin pretty much everything, you know. That's not how you want to live. So just wanted to share this with you as I was thinking about this, and I hope you found some value in this. I hope you could get a feeler of how you can think about it. I would still say next time it happens with you, get aware and you'll be able to get that distinction. Yeah, do hit the like button if you found this meaningful. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.